Welcome to Review Lab. The best salad containers is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who enjoys fresh, healthy meals on the go, offering a convenient and mess-free way to transport your favorite salads, grain bowls, or snacks without compromising their integrity or taste, ensuring that your carefully prepared lunches remain as delicious and appealing as when you first made them, making them an indispensable tool for busy lifestyles and mindful eating. Number 5. Bentgo Salad Container, 54-ounce blue. Introducing the ultimate salad container for your busy lifestyle. This all-in-one set makes taking healthy meals on the go incredibly convenient. Its airtight lid and secure clips lock in freshness. The separate compartments keep your toppings crisp and prevent sogginess. Enjoy effortless cleanup with this dishwasher-safe bowl and tray. The bowl is also microwave-safe for warming your meals. Crafted from BPA-free materials, it's safe, durable, and reusable for everyday use. Join the many who trust us for quality meal prep solutions. Enjoy delicious, healthy eating anytime, anywhere. What we like. This container is designed for ultimate convenience and freshness. Its smart compartments keep your ingredients separate and crisp, preventing sogginess. If you're looking for a complete meal solution that's easy to clean and reheat, this is the perfect choice for your daily lunch prep. What people say. The portion control is great, with a separate compartment for dressing and toppings. These containers are sturdy and leak-proof, perfect for packing lunches on the go. The lid snaps on securely, ensuring no spills or messes. Number 4. Prep Naturals Meal Prep Containers, 30-pack. Introducing the Prep Naturals 30-pack meal prep containers. They are perfect for storing leftovers and preparing meals in advance, making your life so much easier. Crafted from BPA-free materials, these containers ensure your food stays safe and fresh. The airtight seal keeps your meals securely stored for longer. Take control of your diet with these portion control containers. They are perfect for meal prepping and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, whether at home or the office. These containers are built to withstand a wide temperature range. They are ideal for both storing and reheating your delicious meals, offering ultimate convenience. Embrace the festive spirit or simply simplify your routine with these versatile containers. They make batch cooking and storing food a breeze, supporting healthier eating habits all year round. What we like. Get incredible value with this large pack of meal prep containers. They are designed for easy portion control and can be safely used in the microwave and freezer. If you need a bulk solution for batch cooking, storing leftovers, or sticking to a diet plan, this set is ideal for busy households and meal preppers. What people say. The containers are a good size for meal prep and hold a decent amount of food. They are leak-proof and have a secure lid, which is great for transporting salads without spills. The separate compartments are very useful for keeping salad ingredients fresh and preventing sogginess. Number 3. Stock your home 32-ounce clear plastic salad bowls with lids, 50-pack. Stock Your Home offers durable plastic salad bowls that are BPA-free, food-safe, and recyclable. Enjoy easy cleanup by simply tossing them after use. Our snap-on lids provide a secure closure, preventing leaks and spills. This ensures your food stays fresh and delicious for longer. The clear design allows for an attractive display of your colorful meals. They are perfect for showcasing fruits, quinoa, pasta salads, and more. These stackable bowls make meal prepping effortless. Easily store them in the fridge or pack them for on-the-go convenience. This value pack includes 50 containers and 50 lids, each with a 32-ounce capacity. They measure approximately 6.75 inches in top diameter and 3.25 inches in height. What we like. Enjoy effortless cleanup with these disposable yet durable containers. The airtight lids ensure your food stays fresh and secure, while the clear design beautifully showcases your meals. If you need a convenient, no-fuss option for takeout, parties, or quick meal prep where easy disposal is key, this bulk pack is a fantastic option. What people say. The containers are a good size for individual portions and fit well in lunch bags. They are leak-proof, which is great for transporting dressings or dips without spills. The lids snap on securely, ensuring the contents stay fresh and preventing accidental opening. Number 2. 3-pack 47-ounce salad lunchbox with lids. Enjoy healthy and safe meals on the go. Made from food-grade PP, these containers are non-toxic and BPA-free, perfect for adults and kids. Never forget your dressing again. Each container comes with a dedicated spot for sauce and includes extra containers and sealing rings for convenience. Our containers feature tight locking lids, ensuring a leak-proof seal. Take your meals anywhere without worrying about spills. The removable tray with 2 compartments keeps your food items separate and fresh. It's also great for using as a divided snack box. Save time with these convenient containers. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. With a large 47-ounce capacity, these are ideal for work, school, camping, or any outdoor adventure. What we like. This lunchbox offers superior leak protection and smart organization for your meals. The removable tray and included sauce pots allow you to customize your lunch and keep everything separate. If you need a reliable container that prevents spills and keeps different food items fresh until you're ready to mix them, this is an excellent choice for work, school, or travel. What people say. The salad containers are a good size for meal prep and hold a decent amount of food. The lids seal tightly, preventing any leaks or spills, which is great for taking salads on the go. The separate compartments are very useful for keeping toppings and dressings separate from the salad. Number 1. Freshmage 52-ounce salad bowls, 2 packs. Introducing the Freshmage lunch container to go, your perfect companion for meals on the move. Designed for convenience and style, it makes packing your favorite dishes a breeze. Never worry about spills again. This container features a superior leak-proof design with tight locks, ensuring your food stays contained, no matter where you take it. Keep your meals perfectly separated with 3 convenient compartments. Ideal for salads, snacks, and fruits, you can enjoy each item individually or mix them as you please. Ditch those extra small containers. A handy sauce compartment is built right in, perfect for dressings, dips, or your favorite seasonings. Crafted from food-grade safe material, this lunchbox prioritizes your health while offering a chic, fashionable appearance. Enjoy your meals with confidence. Its convenient size makes it easy to carry for work, picnics, or travel. Simply slip it into your backpack and go, enjoying your homemade meals anywhere. What we like. Keep your salad and toppings perfectly separated with this thoughtfully designed container. It features a dedicated sauce compartment and a secure, leak-proof lid for mess-free transport. If you prioritize keeping your salad ingredients fresh and distinct, and need a stylish, portable option for your daily meals, this container is a great pick. What people say. The containers are a good size for meal prep and hold a decent amount of food. They are leak-proof and have a secure lid, which is great for taking salads on the go. The compartments are helpful for keeping ingredients separate and fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.